Nag-hire ka ng tao pero ikaw pa rin gumagawa ng lahat? Paano kung sabihin ko sa'yo na you can now scale your business even without hiring more employees?
I'm Fibo Lim and I run a marketing firm that has generated over 13 billion in client sales over the last decade.
At ngayon, I'm going to share a raw, unedited, unfiltered recording from one of our events. Dito mo makikita how to use AI agents to automate your operations. Ang strategy para ma-duplicate ang sarili mo without hiring more employees. Enjoy.
How to make your business run on autopilot without more employees. Okay? Now, question. Sino dito yung anak mo tumigil na sa pagyaya sa'yo kasi sanay na silang busy si mommy at daddy at hindi mo alam kung hanggang kailan pa to? No? Sino dito nagsimula ng negosyo para magkaroon ng time freedom pero ngayon ikaw na ang CEO, accountant, marketer, customer support at delivery guy ng sarili mong business? Tama? Sino dito naisip na lumalaki ang mga anak mo at hindi mo na mababalik yung moments na na-miss mo? Hindi dahil ayaw mo, kundi dahil hindi mo kayang bitawan ang business kahit saglit. Sino dito nagsimula bilang business owner na may pangarap pero ngayon feeling mo empleyado ka ng sarili mong negosyo at mas mababa pa ang sweldo at sahod mo, no? Sino dito nagsimula na ng mainis sa sarili mong negosyo, yung dating passion mo naging burden na at guilty ka kasi dapat grateful ka pero pagod ka na? Sino dito nag-invest ng oras at resources sa pag-train ng bagong empleyado tapos after 3 to 6 months nag-resign para lumipat sa ibang kumpanya or worse, naging competitor mo pa? Sino dito nag-hire ng manager para mag-manage ng business pero in the end, need mo pa i-manage ang manager? Sino dito ilang taon ka na hindi nagpapa-check up, hindi nagpapahinga, hindi nag-exercise kasi walang oras? Pero deep inside, alam mo nang binabayaran ng katawan mo ang pagnenegosyo. Sino dito natatakot na baka dumating yung araw na bumigay ang katawan mo at doon mo lang ma-realize na wala palang kwenta ang lahat kung wala ka ng health para i-enjoy? And sino dito naisip na ang business mo na instead maging pamana, baka ikaw yung pabigat sa pamilya mo kasi wala nang ibang makapag-run nito kundi ikaw? Sino dito katulad ko makarelate sa mga challenges na to? Okay? Type 5 in the chat kung makarelate ka. Sige nga. Okay? Yan. Thank you. So, I want to share with you how I discovered the solution to this. No? I attended a workshop kasi. And in this workshop, I was able to talk with a few business owners. And merong isang negosyante doon na solopreneur siya. No, ibig sabihin, wala siyang empleyado. Pero kumikita ng $10 million a year yung negosyo niya. So sabi ko, paano mo nagawa yun? Paano yung mga onboarding and all of that? And sabi niya, I have duplicated myself. But here's the interesting part. Sabi ko, paano mo ma-duplicate yung self mo? Kailangan mo pa rin ng tao para gumawa niyan. Sabi niya, I have created AI agents to do the work for me. Huh? And that is where my first aha moment in terms of, possible pala talaga yan. Okay? So, in short, the solution to make their business run without you is what? Duplication. Okay, how many of you would agree? The only way to scale the business without you is to duplicate yourself. Can you give me a number 2 in the chat if you agree that this is the only way to grow your business without you? Tama? So of course, ang challenge kasi sa pagduduplicate is pagod mag-train ng tao from scratch tapos alam mo sa likod ng utak mo baka umalis din. Tama? Mas mabilis pa kung akong gagawa kaysa ituro ko. Kaya ako na lang gagawa, no? Lagi siya naghihintay ng instruction bago kumilos, walang initiative. Hindi pa nga nakakaisang buwan na nagtatanong na kung kailan tataas ang sweldo niya. May makarelate ba dito? Ang daming reklamo, aircon, schedule, sweldo, kahit ano na lang. Nung sinasabi na sa akin, loyal daw siya, tapos after 6 months, nasa competitor na. Pagkausap ko siya, ang bait-bait, pero pagtalikod, pinag-usapan na pala nila ako. Pinagkatiwalaan ko siya, pero kinukupitan na pala ako ng ilang buwan. Sino ba dito katulad ko nakarelate dito? Type number 3 in the chat. Right? And that's why some people don't like to grow their business kasi ayaw ko mag-scale kasi I don't want to experience all of this. Does that make sense? Okay? Pero right now, guys, no, hindi mo na kailangan ng additional employees. You can create what you call AI employees already. Okay? In fact, if you're gonna see here, no, this company, 2/3 of their customer service, okay, AI na. 4,000 roles yung nawala sa kumpanya na to because of AI agents. Even PLDT and Globe is adapting to this. Even Union Bank. Okay? Even BPI. So I wanna give you an idea na alam mo ba na dati may trabaho tawag bowling pin setter. Yung trabaho is taga-ayos ng bowling pin. Ngayon it doesn't exist anymore. Dati may trabaho na lamp lighter, taga-ilaw ng lamp. Ngayon it doesn't exist anymore. Trabaho dati mayroong human alarm clock, pero right now it doesn't exist anymore. And would you agree, right now may drivers pa rin, pero meron ng self-driving cars. Anyone here would agree? Type number 5 in the chat. Okay? So, if I will predict the future, ladies and gentlemen, no? Yung mga ginagawa mo, majority sa negosyo mo na hindi naman nagpo-produce ng income, accounting, HR, etc. No, kaya na yan ng isang AI. Okay? So, how does it work pa? Of course, 3 steps lang yan. Prompt, tool, and then results. Okay? Again, ganun ka-importante yung prompt because the prompt is the instruction. Anyone can just use the tool. Okay? So, in this case, I will give you what happened to this, no? So, nangyari kasi is we instructed AI to find yung naging prompt nito is this. We instructed AI to find what are the most viral and working highest engagement post from the competitors. And nag-produce is eto. And automatic na to ha, sunod-sunod to, isang click na lang to, hindi to like isa-isahin mo pa siya. So flow kasi to, okay? So nangyari is yung naging instruction namin, create variations neto according to our brand colors. Do you want to see the output? Okay, can you type yes in the chat if you want to see the output? Create variations of an engaging image according to our brand colors. Ito naging output. Bang, 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 bang. All of it is AI, pati yung mga tao dyan. Okay. Are you seeing this? Are you seeing how this is changing business right now, ladies and gentlemen? Can you give me a number 1 in the chat? Okay. AI yan, walang like everything. Okay? So, just imagine what roles can it replace in your business. Again, I'm telling you, it doesn't replace offline. You have an offline business, but if you're using a computer or a cell phone, any task related sa computer and cell phone, AI can do. Ano yun? Social media manager can plan, write, schedule, and post content for you. HR can screen the resume, schedule interview, and answer employee FAQs. Payroll assistant can compute salary, deductions, overtime, and general payslips. Bookkeeper can categorize expenses, tracks income, reconciles accounts. Collections agent, send payment reminders and follow-up for overdue accounts. Inventory manager, tracks stock levels, send reorder alerts, update records. Executive assistant, manages calendar, email, booking reminders. Okay? Sino dito makarelate na currently ginagawa nyo to sa business nyo? Kahit offline business kayo. Give me a number 3 in the chat. Sino dito gumagawa nito kahit offline yung business nyo? Okay? Guys, look at this. Kahit offline yung business nyo, physical store, ginagawa nyo pa rin to. Pero these are the roles na kaya ng palitan. Okay? So, AI doesn't resign, doesn't steal from you, doesn't ask for demands. You train it only once, it remembers everything. You don't need to retrain, remind, and motivate. AI eliminates the cycle of hire, train, resign, repeat. No? AI never asks for a salary increase, a vacation leave, or 13th month pay. AI doesn't talk behind your back. It has no ego, no drama, no politics. AI doesn't have bad moods, mood swings, or family problems that affect performance. It's 100% loyal. It will never leave you for a competitor or start its own business. Right? So that is pillar number 3. How to make your business run on autopilot without employees. Okay? So recap tayo. Okay, what have we discussed so far ba? So una, we've created a prediction na a lot of businesses will close down. It's because mababa yung revenue, mataas yung cost. And the only way para magiging mataas yung revenue, mababa yung cost, is to have a solution. And that solution right now is AI. There's nothing else. Okay? And how do we apply AI in the pillars of the business? We have marketing, we have sales, we have operations. So sa marketing, how to flood your inbox with client inquiries without a marketing team? We use content. But in this case, we don't script, record, and edit. We use AI. So AI does it all for us. No? So in this case, how we do it is we have a prompt, may tool tayo, may result. Ganun lang siya. Prompt, tool, result. No? Pillar number 2, how to close sales while you sleep without a sales team. We do that through speed. 78% of buyers buy for the first business to respond. Of course, we don't do that through hiring more staff. We do that by replacing the staff. Okay? In this case, 3 steps lang. We have a prompt, we have a tool, we have the chatbot. Okay? So, have the prompt, have the tool, result. That's it.